Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia. You may know me as Felicia Marie TV or Miss Shopaholic Diaries way back in the day. I'm back in my content creation bag, and so you can find me here on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. I'll put the links down below. Today, I am sharing one of my most recent luxury purchases. I like to treat myself to a luxury purchase every 3 to 4 months, or what someone call once a quarter, because to me, that is how I responsibly experience luxury without going overboard. So previously you saw me purchase the Brandon Blackwood Kuei bag. I'll drop the link down below of that review. Excellent bag, I'm still in love with it. And today, I'm gonna share with you my spring summer purchase, which is a pair of Versace platforms. So these shoes you may have seen before. You've definitely seen them on the runway, and we may have seen them on Beyonce. I'm really not a girl that likes to purchase things that everybody else has, but these were screaming my name. They're so my style. I just had to get them. So here are the Versace platforms. I am in love with these shoes. They are perfect for spring and summer. You can wear them to so many different occasions, and I am seriously getting my worth out of them. Like, they were pricey, but they're definitely worth it. So I'm gonna jump into some pros and cons and tell you guys why you definitely should buy these. So I'm gonna start with the cons. I know most people start with the pros, but I'm gonna start with the cons. The sizing, you have to go up on the sizing in these shoes. I originally got a size 39, which when you transfer that to US sizing is a size 9, which is what I am. But of course, with Italian shoes, you usually have to size up. So I tried on a size 39, a size 39.5, a size 40, and a size 40.5, and I ended up with a size 40.5. These big chunky babies right here. That is my only con for these shoes, besides the price. That is my only con for these shoes, because once I got them in the correct sizing, they were absolutely perfect. I am flagging the sizing to you all because if you don't get the correct sizing, you're literally gonna damage your feet. Like, my feet in the size 39 were bleeding, literally bleeding. My circulation was cut off. I had to be carried home. I had to be peeled out of these shoes, and I had only worn them for half an hour, you guys. So, saying it again, for the girls in the back, size up and compare your sizing online. There's a lot of like shoe blogs and Facebook pages where you can ask the girls, like, who has the Versace platforms? What size did you get? What's your regular size? Yada, yada, yada. And that will help you get an understanding for what you need to purchase. That's my only con. The price was $1,400, but because I've worn these so often already, and they're Versace, I'm just like, okay, the price is the price, you know? I will flag, you should always subscribe to the store newsletters because I got cash back on these shoes. So Saks was having a sale where if you spent a certain amount of money, you got a gift card back. So I spent over $1,000, and so I got a $150 gift card back, which is like, okay, I got the shoes, and with a $150 gift card, I can get a bag or some sunglasses or a scarf to match. So to me, I never pay full price. I never ever pay full price. My mother taught me that. And so that was like, okay, I'm getting instant money back, hand it over. So these are the shoes. That's the cons. The pros, the pros, the pros. First of all, look at them. I mean, what's not to love? I absolutely love this huge chunky heel. I love a chunky heel because they're easier to walk in. The platform is so dramatic. To me, this is a Bratz doll shoe. As soon as I saw them, I'm like, that's a Bratz doll shoe. And I've always resonated with Bratz dolls. I've got a big head. I've got big feet. I'm a Bratz doll. And what do they say? A passion for fashion? I'm a Bratz doll. These are the shoes for me. They go with absolutely everything. The color is so vibrant that everything you pair them with, it just pops. Like, it just makes the outfit jump out. When you see this satin fabric in the sunlight, it literally shimmers. It glows. It's just, I live in New York, sorry for the noise. It literally shimmers, it glows. It's absolutely beautiful in the sunlight, but I mean, look at them without direct sunlight. Still shimmering, still gorgeous. I love the design. You can see the Medusa charm there, which is like Versace's classic, and the strap is bedazzled as well. So when you fully wrap this around your ankle, it looks like you have an anklet on, and that is so cute and really adds to the dramatic flair of the shoe. I can only say good things about them. Like, I can only say good things about them. I will say these shoes are heavy. I'm an expert with wearing heels. I've been wearing heels for the last decade. and a half. And so I am an expert with wearing heels, and so I don't mind a heavy shoe. But if you're not a high heel girl, these are heavy and they're difficult to walk in. Like, you're gonna need your practice before you can wear these out and about, because you will trip yourself up. I mean, I won't, but you know, the inexperienced girls will. Absolutely love the fabric, absolutely love the fit, absolutely love the color. I have no complaints. Like, the quality is amazing. The fit, when you get your right size, is amazing. The design is amazing. They elevate every single look. They go with everything. Like, I have had them since March. It's now May, so March, April, May, 3 months, and I've already worn them like, I think 10 times. And I'm not sick of them yet. I'm gonna be wearing them all spring and summer. Let's see, that's March, April, May, June, July, August. That's 6 months. You're getting your worth out of these. That's my thing. You know that a lot of people do the math and they say, okay, if you wear these a certain amount of times, that's the cost per wear. I learned that from Who What Wear. And so for me, the cost per wear is worth it because I know I'm gonna wear these over and over again. Like, my mom is having a 70s birthday party and I'm definitely gonna wear these because, hello, platforms, these are 70s. Like, they're amazing. So this is a really quick review because I'm in love with these. I can only say the cons are the weight. I'd say they're like 5 to 10 pounds, and the sizing, but of course if you pay attention to your research you can get the sizing perfectly. Otherwise, oh, aren't they just gorgeous? They're just gorgeous. Oh, I forgot to show you the other Medusa charm. They're like hidden. You see those hidden Medusa charms? I like the drama there. I will say the cleaning is actually very easy. I did want to show you guys a scuff I had here. See, I have a scuff here, but satin is actually very simple to clean. You can brush it clean and wipe it clean, and it comes right off. I had a previous scuff on the back, and as you can see, gone now. Really simple to clean shoes. I could rave about these for hours, so I won't go on and on, but I would definitely recommend these. These are my spring and summer splurge, and I'm in love with them. So thank you guys for watching that really quick review and video. I will be sharing more videos later this month. I'm not even gonna give you a schedule right now because I can't keep to it, but I will say you will be seeing some hauls from me, apartment tour, closet tour. As you can see, it's beautiful. I'm in love with it. And maybe a thrift haul. We'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Check out my links down below so you can see me more frequently. I post more frequently on Instagram and TikTok. But thanks for watching, guys. Bye.